What are you doing, Caden? What are you doing? You painting? Doing a good job. Yeah, get some paint. Put it on there. Wow.
It's a D.
Yeah, it's a P for Palmer. You're doing a good job.
What's one on pink?
Yeah, be careful with the paint. Keep it on the wood. There we go. You're doing a good job. We're helping make a craft project. Yeah, aren't we? We making a project? Okay, this is just a piece of it. We'll show you the end result when it's done.